Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file for tax easy method. Start by gathering W-2s, Form 1099s, Social Security number, and last year's return. Next, organize receipts and records for deductible expenses like medical costs and charitable gifts. Then decide whether the standard deduction or itemizing saves you more money. Finally, pick a filing method. E-file for speed or paper if you prefer a physical record and proof. Online filing is fast, secure, and often cheaper than paper filing, so start by selecting trusted tax software or a licensed preparer if your return is complex. Create an account, enter personal details exactly as on Social Security records, and input income from W-2s and Form 1099s. Double-check deductions and credits like education or dependent care. Then choose direct deposit for speed and accuracy before submitting your return. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like to support more easy tax tips. Quick recommendation: a book that can change how you think about money, called The Simple Path to Wealth, which pairs nicely with smarter tax planning and savings habits. I find its clear advice helps reduce stress when filing and thinking about long-term goals. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Be sure to review common deductions and credits that reduce tax owed, such as the Earned Income Credit, education credits, and student loan interest. Keep clear records of charitable donations and medical expenses if you plan to itemize. Compare the total of itemized deductions to the standard deduction to see which benefits you more. Accurate documentation helps prevent delays, audits, and ensures you claim every eligible benefit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.